Hi, I'm Ryan with bLodisign, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install your bLodisign NSX turn signal covers. You only really need two things to install these: the signal covers and a 91 to 2001 NSX, which I just so happen to have here. Very easy to install these. The first thing you're going to want to do is which side goes to which should be fairly obvious when you pull them out of the package. I have the tinted set right here. There'll be two different types of tabs. And you're going to have a hooked side tab that has two prongs on it, and then the other tab which just has a single prong like that. The hooked side goes to the outside of the car. It's pretty simple. I'll show you right now how to put them in. Okay, we're going to start with our cover here. And with the hook side, go up to the car, and you're just basically going to put the two tabs so they go on each side of the turn signal, on the top and on the bottom, with the hook side being on the top. And you'll just kind of push them in anywhere along kind of the side here, and just kind of slide it back until the signal cover is kind of flush with the car, almost, and then just slide it towards the side, real simple. And it'll kind of just wedge right on in there, on into place. You can kind of see just how just kind of slides right on back in there, and just make sure it's kind of snug on the side here. And then coming around to the other side, you just have your one tab, and you're just going to take that tab and you're going to aim just for the upper inside corner of the turn signal and just push straight back kind of firmly, and you'll see it'll just wedge right on in. And that should really be about it. You'll come back here. If this corner sticks out a little bit, just push that tab on in on the bottom, and just kind of play with them a little bit. Sometimes they take a little fuss, but I'll show you on the other side here where you're actually aiming with that inside tab. I remove the turn signal here so you can see better. But you can see this side just hooks out around on in, and then this side there's actually a locator that holds the turn signal in place, and that's right where that tab slides into, and that's what holds it just perfectly in place. And since I don't have the turn signal in, this won't hold it down, but you can see that's kind of how it works. Now back to the other side. To remove them, then, it's real simple. Just start just exact reverse of installation. Just start with the inside, just kind of wedge your finger under here. Just pull it straight on out, kind of come on out. The other side, just slide it towards the front of the car, and it'll slide right out, just as easy as that. So this way you can just slide them out whenever you want to just clean them or wash the car. You know, it keeps from moisture getting behind them. But once again, just to slide them in, just take the hook side, just put the tabs on either side of the turn signal, push it up against the car, slide it towards the side till it stops. The other side, just wedge on in at the top of the turn signal. Just that easy. Just double check the fit. And if you have trouble with this outside corner, that's kind of a trouble spot, but you can actually take the material and put a slight bend into it. I haven't done anything with these as far as pre-forming them or anything, but you can take this corner and kind of put some bend into it, and that'll help it conform to that corner, or even the whole thing if you want to just take it and just lightly bend the whole thing, and it gives it a little bit of shape, and it just kind of helps it conform. But just work with them. You can loosen the screws if you need to tighten them slightly different to get them to form a little better. But overall, they fit pretty snug usually the first try. But just work with them. Every car is going to be a little different, and just be patient with them. But just kind of a final look. You can see they usually fit pretty darn snug. So that's really all there is to it. Hope you enjoy, and thank you.